Hey, hi everyone. Today we'll see what is Microsoft Fabric and what is the use of it. It is nothing but an end-to-end data analytics platform that brings together all the technologies such as Power BI, Data Factory, data engineering, data science, data warehousing, real-time analytics into a single place where all the people and business users can collaborate and work together. Now we'll see how to create and interact between these technologies. First, we'll create one. First we have to go to workspace and we'll create one new workspace. We'll name it as fabric and create. Now click on the bottom left and click on data warehouse. First we'll create a data warehouse where we can store our relational data. Click on warehouse, enter the warehouse name. We'll say demo, demo warehouse, create. So now our warehouse has been created. Now you can see our data warehouse is created, which has several schemas, which further has database objects like tables, views, SPs, and functions. Now we'll create a simple table and see. We can write our T-SQL code here. Create table employee. We'll simply give two columns. Employee name, varchar, data type would be varchar, and employee ID. Data type will be int. That's it. Now select this and click on run. Now we'll see 100 tables if it's created or not. It's refreshing. Now you can see our table is created. We'll insert two rows and see. Insert into employee values. Let's see Bharat and employee ID will be 101. We'll just run this statement. Now row is inserted. We'll insert one more row. Employee ID I'll give it as 102. We'll just run this as well. Yeah, even this row got inserted. Now we will see how the data is stored inside the table. Select start from employee. So you can see our relational data. Okay, now we'll go to data factory and we'll create one simple ETL pipeline. For that, click on data pipeline. We'll name it as ETL. We can only create. Okay, we'll simply use copy activity. For this copy activity, we have to enter the configuration, source and destination. Source can be from external. We can see from, if you click on new, we can see from which all sources we can pull the data. So these are all the sources from where we can bring the data, and we can also bring the data from workspace, that is lakehouse, Gusto query language database or else data warehouse. So we can also use sample dataset. For now we'll use sample dataset. Click on browse. We'll use okay, so we'll use diabetes dataset. Click on next. So previous loading, click on OK. And destination we have to configure. Destination also can be external or else it can be workspace. So we'll load this data into the data warehouse which we created just now, demo warehouse. And we don't have table created for this one. So we'll auto create table. We'll select auto create table and we'll enter table name. Table name I'll give it as fact diabetes. Yeah. Now validate the activity once. It says it's been validated, no errors found. Save it. Yeah, successfully saved. Now run the activity. It takes some time. It takes some time. The pipeline is running. It's in progress. Fresh. Successfully our copy activity is executed. Now we'll go to workspace. Okay, we'll go to data warehouse only and we'll see if the table is there with the proper data. Open schemas, DBO schema, open tables. You can see our fact diabetes table is there with all the columns. Okay, we'll once view the table data diabetes. So our ETL is successfully done. Now, now we'll see data engineering. In data engineering, we can create lakehouse where we can store structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, and we can also create Spark jobs. Okay, we'll create lakehouse. Demo lakehouse. Okay, here we can bring our data from data flow generation to data pipeline, or else it can be even local system files. Click on browse and here click on browse. So here we can bring our data to data lakehouse. Now we'll see data science. Here we can build our build and create our data science models, and we can also create a notebook where we can build the model using PySpark Python code. This will be used for data scientists. Okay, we'll see Power BI now. So in Power BI, we can create new reports just by clicking on Add New Report. Here we can enter our data manually, or else we can pick a published dataset. We'll choose the dataset which we created just now. It is in sample warehouse. Here we can click on auto create report so that Microsoft Fabric will create a report for us. On pre-select data. Here we can select the columns on which we have to create the day report. So I'll say a I choose some important things. Now you can see Fabric has automatically created a report for us. Now what if we want to change this chart to column chart? For that, simply click on personalize the visual. Here we can see whatever the chart or else which are the column we want, everything we can do here. So this how we can interact between all the technologies in a single platform. Thanks for watching.